G'day guys, so today we're going to be building some steps out of tyres. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. So we're just trying to mark out where these tyres are going to sit. So we're going like a step, step, step sort of motion. So we're going to go horizontals and verticals and taking out that incline. So you just want to make sure that those pieces are going to be level, so when you're digging, creating those just flat, vertical and horizontal planes. It'll make it easier in the long run. You can dig a little bit deeper and fill it in later, but it's best to get it right the first time round. So when you're digging your holes for these tyres, you've got to make sure you're thinking about the spacing. So depending on the age of the children and what sort of incline you're going to be working with, that'll affect how those tyres are going to sit down there. Cut one of the sidewalls off each of those tyres that we're going to be using for those steps. And finally, we're just making sure that the surface they're sitting on is going to be nice and horizontal, so those tyres are going to be sitting flat. As we're filling these tyres with earth, you want to pack it as tightly as possible. You can stomp it down with your feet, getting it really compact, and then also a whole lot of water as well. Fill that up. You want to use lots and lots of water to just condense that soil, pack it in as tightly as possible so those things won't be moving anywhere. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.